Chi. So I'm from Diyou Fibre. I'm Strategic Planning Manager. The best thing of SmartB is customizations. We do a lot of customization things with SmartB to fulfill our manufacture process. So this is the best part because our process is kind of very complex and very weird. So yeah, we need customizations. After we have started SmartB in our factory, everything is digitalized. So instead of using handwritten in previous, so now we are moving toward digitalizations. So I think SmartB play important roles on that. He is very creative and sometimes he'll give some out-of-box solutions which make me think more. To train people to use the software, also one of an issue. So we actually work together to find solutions, the best solutions to fit each other. Oh yes, of course.